So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to open folder from Gmail. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Gmail app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the inbox of your Gmail. Now to open a folder, you should have to tap on your original Gmail account, and you will see here that folder has been sent with this email. So tap on it. Now you can see folder here. Then you should have to tap on open icon, which is available on the left side of your screen. So tap on it. Now wait for a few seconds until it opened. Now see, this is the folder, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.